In this video, I'm going to do a complete breakdown of this custom design landing page that we did for our client last year. And I'm going to show you that what we did, how we did, what was the psychology behind it, and how can you implement it on your funnel designs. The reason why I'm sharing this is because I see too many crappy landing pages on the internet built on GoHighLevel, and I just want people to use GoHighLevel in the best way possible. That's it, right? I just want to give you a quick rundown of how the landing page looks. Okay, so this is the header section. Just take a look at the complete landing page and make sure that you continue to stay in the video. It's not going to be a very long video, so that I can just help you understand about the concept, the psychology, which you can use for your clients as well. Okay, and it's a very long landing page. This is particularly designed to book appointments and close them easily. Okay. Cool. So we are now at the end of the landing pages, right? And here comes the end of the complete landing page. Okay, let me just get back to the top. Okay, so this landing page is built on GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one marketing tool. If you're not yet aware of it, GoHighLevel provides an all-in-one solution for all your marketing needs. Does not matter whether you are a marketing agency, whether you are a business and you want to do it for yourself, or you are someone who wants to have your own SaaS business. By SaaS business means you get to use GoHighLevel as your backend tech stack, and then you can white label it in order for you to sell it under your brand name to as many customers as you want for as much price as you want without giving any percentage of share or affiliation to the GoHighLevel platform. You just have to pay a one-time fee on a monthly basis, and then you get to keep everything aside for yourself without having to answer that how many clients I have, how many users I have, how many accounts I have, how many subscriptions I have. Okay, so just visit the link that is below on my description, right? And that is going to be an affiliate link because I love this tool and I love to promote that really works, right? So please use that affiliate link because that's going to help me contribute to this YouTube channel, and that will help me create more videos for you for free. Okay, so before we deep dive into the complete psychology, let's know more about me. My name is Pritam Bhadra. I run a GoHighLevel web design agency. We build top-notch, top-class funnels, marketing websites for our clients across the globe. To know more about me, just type prithambhadra.com and you will be able to see our landing page and what we do as a business from India to the world. Okay, let me just get back to the landing page. Let me give you some context so that you can understand that how this happened. And we're not just a design agency, we also consult on the complete marketing process because that's exactly how our work fits in. Our work is the middle puzzle to your entire marketing needs, right? It is not the entire business running part, but it is one of the most important parts that you fit inside your entire marketing strategy, right? So this client is a fitness person. He is a physique national physique champion. He's from the UK, and he came to me to get a custom design funnel done through a referral. I really appreciate referrals. We have amazing client base, and we love working with our clients. So he already had a landing page, but the landing page was not that great, and I could see that when he sent me the link. So I told him that we need to completely revamp this. I need photographs. So I told him a bunch of the details that we will need in terms of resources so that we can do our best, right? Because as an agency, we are limited based on what kind of resources you have and what kind of resources I can get in from you so that I can do it. Resources can be testimonials, photo shoots, brand features, PR, X, Y, and Z, your achievement, your authority. Because at the end of the day, our work is to make sure that the landing page sells itself, right? Without you have to sell a lot at the back end. But that can only happen when you have that credibility, authority, and we can just showcase the authority in a convincing manner for people to continue to go forward into the funnel, right? That's our job as a agency. But anyways, so that's what happened, and everything was good, and we got started with the project, right? So this is the header section, right, that we did for our client. We wanted to showcase the client as the hero image because this is what people are going to come for. When you are creating a personalized, a personal brand, whether you're a coach, whether in any field, whether you are a speaker, whether you are a course creator, right? People count on your expertise. People count on who you are as a person, what value have you generated in the world, so people can trust you, what track record you have. You can't be a newbie and come to me and say, Pritam, I want $1 million from your funnels. That is not going to happen, right? What can happen is we can build your funnel and then slowly optimize it. And in the meantime, you should also have credibility at the back end in order to support it. I'll give you a very good reason for that. When you build Tony Robbins funnels, you don't need to build Tony Robbins funnel in the most amazing way. The reason is, from the last 20, 30 years, everybody in the world knows Tony Robbins in the personal development space. So you can claim that you have built a Tony Robbins funnel, but it's actually the brand play. It's actually the name that this guy has worked hard for the last 20, 30 years. That is what is helping him convert on the landing page. I am spitting the truth no matter what. Okay. So this is what is happening, right? And you have to build that credibility, that factor. And if you do not have it, trust my friend, the landing page will not convert. Okay, let me get that straight. Okay, so you need to have that. And this client was a 3 times men's physique champion. We love to have these kind of authorities working with us on our agency, right? So we wanted that photo shoot done, and he showed me some amazing photo shoot. I was really impressed by it. We did some Photoshop to make sure it brightens up, it makes him look spectacular on the landing page. Because if you cannot hook people on the hero section, you cannot, you cannot force people, or you cannot have them a curiosity in order to get to the complete landing page. You cannot do that, because first you have to build that trust, and it should be very relevant for them, right? And not just a marketing gimmick, right? And that's what we wanted to do. We wanted to show them and want to hook them that this is a proven method, right, for busy professionals to pack on muscles and get a defined body. By the way, the entire copywriting was done by my team as well. And the reason why we want to do this and the way we want to do this is because we want to hook people that this is a proven method, right? We are establishing the credibility, the authority on the first line itself. On the second part, we're actually showcasing them that this is for whom. This is not for an athlete. This is not for someone who wants to go into the men physique champion. This is for a busy working corporate professional, or any kind of professional having a job or a business, right? Who wants to pack on muscles in their busy schedule. This is a pain point. This is a niche market. The client knew what his market is. He communicated that to us, and we communicated that on the landing page. Do you see how the entire circle works? It has to be in a defined way. You can't just throw an arrow in the dark and think it's going to go into its point. It's not going to happen. You have to come up with a strategy. You have to understand your customer avatar, and you have to know that how I'm going to do it on my landing page. Then we have a subheading. Basically, subheading is just to create more emphasis and support the main heading, which is get the expert help you need to get through your 40s, right? So we are very specific that you are a working professional, you are into the corporate, you are into the business, you do not have a lot of time, and you want to build that muscles, right? And you are in your 40s, and we can help you because we have gone through that, and we can help you shape in your life, right? This is what is there. There's a contact button on top, and there's a glowing, beautiful contact CSS button here that just helps people to click on it. Just so amazing. And then you have as seen on. The client had more logos, by the way, and I wanted him to add more logos, but he was like, no, Pritam, I just want to add these two because these two are big brands in the UK, and if you get featured into this, then it builds up the credibility, Pritam. So it's like, that's fine. In that case, we will add these kind of logos. It's very nice that you can add these kind of logos, or you can add like trust pilot reviews, or you can add how many clients you have served, how many reviews you have on Facebook, Google, X, Y, and Z. You can add all those things as well, depending on what resources you have, right? So that's the top section. By the way, I'll also show you that it is 100% mobile optimized. The second part here, the second section is basically showcasing what your client's results are. And I also wanted to showcase his physique a bit, but I also wanted to showcase his client's transformation as well. The reason why we're doing this is because we want to showcase the result as soon as possible. We don't want them to go, I mean, at the bottom and then see the result, right? They probably will not have the time, the enthusiasm, or I mean, the entire curiosity to go to the end of the landing page and then see the testimonials. We just want to give them a glimpse of what is going to come or what this person has done in the past, right? Then here it's all about making sure that you are the right fit for this program. We have to make sure that we are targeting their pain points. We are helping them understand that this is for you. Once people understand, hey, this is for me in the online world, because in online anything can be everything, right? So we have to really make sure that they understand that this program is particularly for them. When they understand this, they get convinced in order to proceed forward into the funnel. And that's what we did. And we did it very nicely with this video, which my client recorded, and we created this amazing thumbnail for them as well, right? So this is the client, and he recorded a very nice video and recorded that amazing, cool looking thumbnail because we wanted people to click on it. It's super important, right? Then we are basically explaining them the problems that they are facing, right? And the reason for explaining them to the problem we are facing is we want to help them relate to the problems that we are solving. Okay. We have to build that connection in the world of marketing where you're bombarded with ads, marketing gimmicks and everywhere. We want to feel that this program is definitely for you only when we hit their pain points, right? And these are all their pain points. Every pain point was done by my team, and this was done so efficiently that it literally hits that what exactly the problem that they are facing. And when they understand that, hey, I'm also facing the same problem, that moment is where the connection get formed, and they are more curious to understand that how they can enroll in or how they can book an appointment, right? That's what the marketing gameplay that's happening here. We have a short call to action sentence, and then we have the button here, and when they click on it, they get to submit a form, and based on that, we will contact them about if they qualify, right? Then we come to about the coach, the trainer, the course creator, everything, right? uh, so then we have this UPS system that this person calls, which is nice because that gets him to a unique own world, because it seems like this person has developed this system by his own based on his experience. And if you enroll into the program, you'll also get an opportunity to experience the same system that this guy has built, which is going to help you transform your fitness goals this year the way this guy is claiming to be, right? We are showcasing Francisco. We're not only showcasing his photographs based on what he's wearing, but we also want to actually showcase his body, his physique, because that is the number one thing that people want to see when they want to hire a fitness coach. It's super important that as well, and especially when this guy is a 3x men's physique champion, which is amazing, right? So here he describes about what he did in the past, about that he has won 19 titles, national and international, including British Championship 2019, and three national championship. All these are important, right? I mean, you cannot write anything, you cannot write this unless you've achieved this, right? So as a business owner, as a marketing agency, you can only write something when you've already achieved it, right? And this is important. The color of the sentence is not so important than what you have achieved is that important, right? When you go to my landing page, we have built 150 templates. We have been working with 50 plus businesses, and we work with clients who are 6 7 8 figures, and we actually show that with our hundreds of landing pages that is there on our site. And if you go to the bottom, you will see I mean, you still have testimonials, right? Like so many of our testimonials is because you have to show what you have done. The credibility comes from the hard work of the last few years, and that's why this guy has showcases here. I mean, we showcased here because we wanted that to be here, which is super important. We also showcased that he got featured in magazine, in newspapers, and everywhere, because that is also a credibility factor. I mean, what if I could just make it, oh, these are only magazines, only to showcase it. But you have to showcase it, right? You got featured into magazine, which is a big thing. And we have to showcase it is because of the physique, is because that you are a champion, a national champion, a title winner in the national and international era, right? So this has to be featured. And then we explain that how He figured out this program that how based on his experience is going to help his clients or help people like you who want to sign up for it. Here in this video we showcase that what is his journey, right? From being a normal person, from being into the from basically in the corporate normal address, to being a fitness guy, up to being a national champion like this, right? And then again a small call to action so that people can be pumped up. This is kind of a space section, but again we showcase their authority and grandness to build the brand, and that's why we have custom designed the background. By the way, the photo was not short, or I mean not shot like this, but we just did some photography photo shoot work, and we got this thing done, right? And then again we have this call to action button where people can get in. Now we deep dive into that why exactly the problem that the people are facing in their life, and what exactly the client has to say. And if you see why is this happening to you is a question that if you are a visitor you'll also ask yourself, that why I'm not able to get fit, right? Why I'm not able to have that motivation to go to the gym, why I'm not able to eat healthy, right? And that is something that you're thinking, right? And see this photo. In this photo the coach is also thinking, right? He's looking at himself as if he's in deep thoughts, thinking about something. Photo visualization, or what I call is visual storytelling, is super important when you're designing landing pages, funnels, and website. I cannot emphasize more on this, ladies and gentlemen. You have to use storytelling in your landing pages and funnels, right? And then we point out basically everything here, and then once you understood that what is the issue, why is this happening to you, then we help you understand that hey, we can help solve the problem, we can help you get to the next level, and we are already achievers in life in this specific niche, and we can help you grow in this particular problem as well. And that's exactly the reason why we have this photo beside this content, right? Also, if you see, even though this content has multiple lines, but these are not complete paragraphs, rather bullet points. It's very, very advisable not to use big paragraphs, rather use pointers so that people can understand, learn in a very simple and easygoing format. You want to make the complete landing page as easy as possible to read instead of making it bulky and very difficult to understand. Then let's go. This was supposed to be the three different programs, which is not linked yet, but when he creates different programs, then these are going to be clickable images which are going to be in their particular landing pages, right? Then we explain them their 6-step process in a very simple way, or exactly we provide, and that photo has to show the visual storytelling, right? If I'm showing coaching, it has to look like there is a coach and there is a student. If I'm showing training, then there has to be a photo or an icon of training, right? Similarly goes for nutrition, support, sleep, and stress. Okay, again you want to have a big call to action button, because you want to give people the opportunity to book that call, book that appointment, complete that survey, every point on the landing page, right? Here he's showcasing his case study, basically that 12 weeks case study and how he got there, which is again super important. Again showcasing a bit of client results and his results. Here's what is going to achieve for those people who are actually going to join the program, and it is already listed here, right? And also this business or this person, right, our client provides 100% money back guarantee, which is huge, right? I will not recommend this to everyone, but if you are someone who is 110% confident into what you are selling, or is it like, and you have the control of it based on terms and conditions, always make sure you have the terms and condition of this written down. In that case you can add money back guarantee. This definitely increases the conversion rate, right? 100% that happens. And then you have the video testimonials, and we have added these video testimonials here. Then we have some four photographs which actually shows the transformation that the client has been able to achieve, and we also showcase that. Some written testimonials, some reviews, and then you have some FAQs. Super important. People really on these kind of long form landing pages, people will have a lot of questions, a lot of doubts. So you need to jot down and write all the problems that people, or the questions that people have asked you regarding this program in the past. Or if it's not, then think about what probably can a newbie or a customer avatar might have doubt about, and then write it down on a pen or a paper or on a document and send it to your funnel builder or a designer so that he can create these FAQs. Because when you create FAQs, and if this FAQs solves the right question that they have in their mind, then the chances of conversion increases drastically, because all the limiting questions has already been answered on the landing page through their FAQ. Does that make sense? If yes, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, right? At the end, I wanted to showcase the client, the physique, and what is actually possible and what the client has already achieved, again, to build authority. In case you're missing, this is just a complete wrap up of everything in short, and then that ends the complete landing page with a call to action button, and then having all the links below, right? So that's how the complete landing page was, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that this helped you. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much.